Hey guys, Annie Stacy here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share amazing recipes that can help you grow strong, longer and thicker hair. So as you can see from my before and after shots, my hair has really improved. So this is all thanks to my amazing recipes, and in today's video we're gonna be using this plant. So the plant you see on your screen is the rosemary plant. So rosemary is a perennial evergreen plant. It has needle-like leaves and it's very amazing for hair growth. So rosemary helps to promote hair growth. It helps with hair loss, excessive shedding and stuffs like that. So we're gonna look at the details of the benefits later on in the video, but right now I'm going to make this wonderful treatment for the hair, and I'm just gonna cut those stems like that, and then I'm gonna wash it off. You want to wash it off to get rid of all the dirt. Yeah, we want it really clean, so you have to wash it as many times as possible, just making sure it's clean. When it's finally clean, I'm going to take it off and spread it on the paper, on this paper napkin, and just let it get dry. So you just want to spread them out so it can get dry faster. You can put this under the sun if the sun, or just let it dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and change up the paper napkin into a dry one, just because this one is completely soaked. I'm gonna go ahead and move it into a dry one. At this point it's almost getting dry, so I'm just gonna dry that out again for a couple of hours, and then because I want it really dry, when it's dry I'm gonna go out and take out the needle-like leaves like I'm doing. Just want to take them off from the stems. So I'm just gonna, so you just want to pull in the opposite direction. That's very easy to do. So I'm gonna do that, and then just further take out all the little branches. I just need only the needle-like leaves for this treatment that I'm gonna be making. So if it's not dry, you can go ahead and dry that up again. But moving on, we're going to be using extra virgin olive oil in this treatment. So olive oil helps to reduce dandruff. It helps to keep split ends at bay, strengthens and adds shines to the hair. It easily penetrates the hair shaft, making it softer and easy to manage. So it's very good for naturally frizzy hair. Next up, I'm going to be using avocado oil, which also helps in reducing dandruff, preventing breakage. It also helps in detangling the hair, as well as protecting the hair from damage such as environmental damage like sunlight, seawater, chlorine, and so on and so forth. So these are amazing oils. Next up, I'm going to be using coconut oil, which also works amazingly to promote hair growth. It also helps to prevent dandruff. Coconut oil is known to have healing properties that can heal your scalp or scalp issues. Now I'm gonna go ahead and measure half a cup of olive oil, and then I'm also going to go ahead and measure half a cup of my avocado oil. So that's the quantity I'm gonna be using for this recipe. You can add the recipe up according to your hair needs, but you don't want to make a lot of this. So but if you want to still go ahead and make a large batch, you can just double the measurements or triple. So I'm just gonna use half a cup of olive oil and half a cup of avocado oil, and about a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil. So that's what I'm gonna use for this recipe. Now we're gonna move on to our dried rosemary leaves. So make sure they're dry, no water in it. You don't want to introduce water into this recipe. So make sure your leaves are completely dry. Then you're gonna transfer that into the oils, and you want to mix that. Just mix that. It smells so good already, and you're gonna place it on the stove on very low heat very, very low heat. It's gonna take a while before it heats up, but yeah, leave it at the lowest heat, and it's already getting ready. You start seeing those bubbles. So the oil is infusing, or the rosemary is infusing into the oil, and I tell you guys, it smells so amazingly. Like, the smell is so beautiful, so nice. So yeah, I love the smell of rosemary. So the oil is ready, and I'm just gonna go ahead and strain that out. You don't want all those leaves in your oil. So we have this amazing rosemary infused oil that we can use on our hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use that on my hair in a bit. But yeah, this is how the oil looks after the infusion, and I'm going to go ahead and transfer that into my glass jar just to preserve it. So I'm gonna pour that in the jar, and we cannot use it like that from the jar. So to use on the hair, I'm gonna go ahead again and transfer that to my applicator bottle. Whatever applicator bottle you have would do. Just make sure it's easy to apply on the scalp, because from the jar, obviously it's not easy to apply on the scalp, because you don't want to place your hand in the jar and then apply it on your hair, because you risk contaminating the oil. So I'm just gonna add some dry rosemary leaves in there just for a while to continue the infusion. But yeah, you don't want to leave it in there for long, because it might get molded. So yeah, I'm gonna take that out later, and then I'm just gonna prepare to apply that to my hair. Like I already explained, I'm gonna transfer that to my applicator bottle, which you're gonna see. So for me to better transfer that to my applicator bottle, what I did was just go ahead and pour the quantity that I needed in this measuring cup for easy, just to aid me in pouring it easily without throwing it all over the table. So yeah, that's what I did. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my hair. So my hair is freshly washed. As you can see, it is clean. So what I do is, after applying my spritz, if I need it, or as my hair is washed, after applying my leave-in conditioner, I'm just gonna go with my oil. So I want to apply that to my scalp and then to the length of my hair, and I'm gonna massage that in. So remember, this is like the last step of moisturizing your hair. So you want to make sure that after applying your spray, your leave-in conditioner, you have to seal it with an oil. Guys, remember not to apply oil to dry hair, because you'll be sealing in the dryness, and that's not gonna help keep your hair moisturized. So like I said, after applying your leave-in conditioner, so you can see that I've already applied my leave-in conditioner. That's why you see the white stuff. So after applying my leave-in conditioner again, I'm gonna go ahead with my rosemary hair growth oil, apply that to this to my scalp and then to the length of my hair, and I'm gonna massage it in. This is an opportunity all the time for you to gently massage your scalp to increase blood circulation, blood flow to the scalp, which will in turn promote healthy hair growth. Just as I mentioned briefly before, rosemary has many amazing benefits for our hair, one of which is that rosemary helps to promote hair growth as it stimulates and improves blood circulation to the scalp, thus encouraging hair growth. So during this process of application, you want to also use the opportunity to massage your scalp, which helps with blood circulation as well. So rosemary has antibacterial properties that gently helps to cleanse the hair. Rosemary helps to relieve irritated, dry, flaky scalp, especially those with dandruff. So yeah, if you suffer from dandruff, this treatment is gonna help minimize that. So yeah, Rosemary also slows down the premature hair loss and graying. So if you suffer from premature graying or balding, it helps to fight that. Okay, rosemary is also known to darken and strengthen the hair, and it adds shine to the hair. So this is one amazing plant that has proven to help people with hair loss, excessive shedding, hair fall, hair breakage, and all of that. So it really helps the hair. So my hair has improved a lot because of all of these herbs. I use a lot of these on my hair. You can use the fresh plant or the dried plant. Either way, it's gonna work for you. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And you can check me out on Instagram as well at Fragile Curls. So yeah, there I share behind the scene photos and short videos. So if you want to keep yourself updated with what I do with my hair, you want to follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching this far. I'm so grateful for you supporting my channel. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and let me know if you're gonna make this or you've used this before or use rosemary in any form. Let's get chatty in the comment section below. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.